Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, let's compare ExpressVPN and SafeShellVPN. If you are trying to choose one VPN for your device and are not sure which one is better, I will explain in basic word which one is faster, safer and better for money. Also make sure to check the description below for the links and the best prices. Let's start with ExpressVPN. It's one of the oldest and most trusted VPNs. It gives super fast speed, strong privacy and works great with Netflix, YouTube and many more. The app is very simple, you just click and connect. Other side, SafeShellVPN is a newer VPN and it also gives good speed in nearby servers, but it's not as fast as ExpressVPN when you connect far servers. When you talk about privacy and security, ExpressVPN is stronger. It has better technology and the company is known worldwide. Other side, SafeShell is okay for casual use, but it doesn't give advanced feature like ExpressVPN. The main difference is price. SafeShellVPN is cheaper if you just want a basic VPN for normal browsing or hiding your IP. It can work fine, but if you need top level of performance, ExpressVPN is a winner in this case, and it's a little bit expensive. Also, both give a money back guarantee, so you can test and see which works best for you. So that's the full comparison. ExpressVPN is stronger, faster and more advanced. SafeShellVPN is cheaper and simpler. You can choose what fits you best, and check the description below for the links and offer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.